sir. What's up, guys? It's princemekaa back over here with another YouTube video. Sorry that I've been so inactive, haven't posted in a year. Senior year's been stressing me out, yeah. But today I got another unboxing for you guys. We're gonna unbox my M1 iPad Air 5th generation that I recently just purchased. I've been meaning to purchase a new iPad for a while now. The iPad that I previously had, it's really old. I had the first iPad 1st generation and I needed a new upgrade, so this is it. I actually received it yesterday and I already opened it and put my screen protector on my iPad, but today I'm gonna take you guys through the whole setup process. We're gonna set it up, download any apps that I need, and overall just check out what's new. All right, let's start unboxing. We're gonna start with the iPad first. I did get the blue version in 64 gigabyte capacity, and this isn't the cellular model, it's only the Wi-Fi one. All right, that looks clean. Oh yeah, so like I said, I already put on my screen protector. It's a glass screen protector. Now let's take it out the box. All right, you see this beautiful blue color. I love this color so much. We're gonna set this aside really quick. Let's take a look at the Designed by Apple in California package. So pretty much it's just, you know, all the instructions, and then we have our Apple stickers. And then I did get the charging cable. This is the 20-watt brick, and then this is the USB-C connector, which is the first one I've ever had, so that's pretty cool. All right, let's set the box aside, and then let's go ahead and turn on the iPad. Before I start it up, I'm actually just gonna put on my case. I got this case from Amazon. I'll place the link in the description below. It has a black flap and then a clear back to show off the nice blue color, so that's pretty cool. This is the slot where the Apple Pencil would go in, and I really like this because not only will it keep the Apple Pencil protected, but it'll also keep it charging at the same time too, which is really nice. Very protective and shows the color really nice. It's really cool. Let's go ahead and turn on the iPad. All right, so it says hello. So we're just gonna get started right here. So it's gonna ask us, you know, our language. So we're gonna pick English, United States, of course. It's gonna ask if I wanna bring this iPad next to my phone or my other iPads. We're just gonna set up manually. Now it's gonna ask us for Touch ID. So we're gonna do that right now. All right, cool, that's added. Now we're just gonna add our password. Like I said, we're not gonna transfer any data, so we're just gonna say don't transfer apps and data. Now I'm just gonna type in my Apple ID. All right, so we're just gonna agree to terms and conditions. So we're just gonna press continue because I think this is still transferring like the other settings I had on my phone, like dark mode, so that's pretty cool. And next I'm just setting up all of the cards that I had on my iPhone, which automatically transferred over here, which is pretty cool. All right, cool. So now it's gonna ask us to set up Surrey. We're not gonna share our audio. And yeah, we're done. So it says welcome to iPad. Let's get started. All right, so now we're just gonna be downloading some apps that I'm gonna be using on my iPad now. And then if you guys have an iPad of your own and you guys take notes on your iPad, let me know in the comments what note-taking app you guys use. I think I'll be using Notability since they did come out with that free version, but I've heard a lot of good things about GoodNotes too, so just let me know in the comments below which one you guys use. And then of course, I'll have content in the future covering how I take notes on my iPad, my iOS 15 customization, or what's on my iPad, so just stay tuned in the future for those videos. We're just gonna delete iMovie. Let me know if you guys actually want a video on that as well. Me editing content on my iPad, I'll be happy to do that, so just let me know in the comments as well. But for now, we're gonna delete iMovie. Okay, so as of now, these are kind of the only apps that are coming to mind that I need. This is a perfect device for just the general, you know, technology user. And the reason why I didn't get the Pro, I just didn't think it was worth the extra $200 considering what I'd be using my iPad for. And then I also didn't get over 64 gigabytes. I think 64 gigabytes will be just enough for me and what I'll be using my iPad for and my note taking, especially since I put a lot of my stuff on my computer anyways for storage optimization, so think I'll be fine in that area. And so this isn't a 120 ProMotion display, this is only 60 hertz. I can't even notice. I think it's really not that deep. You guys are gonna be perfect. You guys are gonna be happy with this device. It's fast, it's pretty good. All right, so we're gonna take a look at the camera really quick. They did upgrade the front camera to 12 megapixels, I think. So we're just gonna view it real quick. This is a really nice camera. And then this camera also has center stage, where if you're on a FaceTime call, it'll follow like the camera along. So I'll be able to test that out in a future video. But the camera quality is really nice. Wow. We're just gonna change the background really quick. I'm not feeling that background. See, I really like this background, but for the sole purpose of this video, we're gonna have to choose the blue one. So now we're gonna unbox the Apple Pencil. So just like this, just instructions showing you how to use the pencil. We should be getting a message. Yeah, this message right here. It says, welcome to Apple Pencil. All right, so we're gonna press continue. And then it says try scribbles. All right, cool. So let's just give it a quick demonstration. So let's just go to Notability really quick. I really like this app a lot. It's simplistic, it's easy to use. All right, so we pretty much set everything up. So I think I'm gonna end today's video here. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a like, comment, or subscribe. Stay tuned for more future videos. I will be active, don't worry guys. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.